Good day, traders. This is Rich with some price action on the market. It's currently 4:11 p.m. May 13th, 2021, Thursday, called a bounce back day across the board, except for Bitcoin, I guess. But other than that, it was pretty good for me, a lot better than yesterday. Although I did not get back what I lost yesterday, I did improve on my trading. So if you are new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the button below, hit the like button, very simple, and also comment below if you have any questions or what have you. Yeah, so we had the gap up today. Actually, it took a while to get the gap going. It was late in the morning before the market and it started gapping up. And then we had a nice climb on the SPY here. You can just see the steady climb. So it definitely created a lot of trades. Meanwhile, a stock like Tesla was doing the opposite today. So you had the value stocks making moves up. Apple was up today. It gave back some at the end here, but it was up. It gapped up. So it fell off down to the 200, and it kind of just meandered around the same price. It was a choppy session, it opened up at, call it 124.59, and it closed at 124.94, even though it gapped up. So it really didn't create much of a, action for you to trade. But for me, I was hanging pretty heavily in Tesla today. And in fact, I was trading Tesla options, which I know are dangerous across the board. Options are, because they're a leveraged product. But I'm starting, as long as you manage it, I'd rather trade one or two contracts of Tesla than 50 shares or 75 shares looking for a bigger move, where I only need to get a smaller move. Even though the spreads are a little rough, I'm still trying to figure that all out. It was setting up nicely today on the put side. So if you look on the put side, we had these moves back up into the moving averages, and every time it made a move into the moving averages, it fell off pretty good. Even inside bars on a 5-minute, these are the 5-minute chart. So a breakdown of an inside bar on a 5-minute, like this one here. Let's see. This one here broke down a 5-minute. This one here broke down, popped back up. But, there were some trades available today on Tesla, and I traded multiple different. Here's one call. Actually, the funny thing is, earlier in the day, I took a call option, and I made most of my Tesla money on the call side at the 600 level. So we're talking about up here. And then during the puts, I was sitting the 400. I got 40 on this one, 29, 27. So later in the day when I was taking these puts, and I left so many out there, I didn't even take the trades. I was only taking one contract. I still did okay. This one call option didn't work out for me, but that was the only one. This SPLK was a news event. I was actually up about $70 on it, marketed out. And at that particular time, the bids dropped off, and I got a terrible fill. That's what I hate about market orders. Apple was a quick play. RCL was kind of news-ish, with the CDC requiring mass removal, not requiring, but saying you don't need a mask if you're vaccinated and stuff like that. IHT was a quick hit. AMC was a pop that left out so much on the table. If we go to AMC, if you saw it today, it just did the steady climb. And obviously, if you traded this one, you got punched. This one, you got punched. But then you took this one, you got a nice little run up here. And I was actually looking through the 12 level and the 13 level. Nice pullback here for a nice move to the north side on AMC. Again, Tesla puts all day. GME, I missed the early trade on GME through 55 or 56 through here. It's just a stressful stock when you're in it. It's just, you got to give it room. I was only trading with 100 shares, no contracts or anything like that. And it was just doing the steady climb up, and then took off and then created these little range plays. So I kind of got into this a little bit of chop. Probably could have made a few more bucks if I held on to it, because I actually got in on this pullback here. This would have been the best pullback to get in, obviously, but I missed this one. And Peloton was a news play announced by someone in our group. More negative news on their products, which seem to be good, but they could be dangerous or something. I don't know. Boeing was a play and a news play based on that CDC information. So it was good. It was a good day. 394, which is interesting. Probably, I feel like I could have had a lot more today had I held on to stuff, but there's also times where I'm glad I got out of some of these option trades for a quick hit, where, I got 30 cents versus, it going $2. It would have been a lot bigger of a move than a 30-cent trade. So I'll take the 394 today. I'll move into the final day of the trading week. And, I say this, I've been saying this for the last month or so. We're in a tough market. And, yesterday wasn't a very good day. Today was a much better day. And I'm looking forward to building on today, tomorrow. Just be careful, and hopefully things will pick up and get better. This is Rich. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and comment on the video. And I will talk to you tomorrow.